Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a very big PR package that I've received. I usually get a couple boxes a week on PR and I'm so grateful for everything that I get in the mail. This one really stuck out to me, so much so that I felt like I needed to unbox this with you guys because this is the biggest PR package I've ever received and I'm so grateful. This is from Tresemme. This box is crazy. It's literally half the size, if not a little bit longer than I am. As you can see, pretty big. It's not super heavy, so I'm not struggling here, but I was so impressed and I was like, this is an unboxing video. So I've worked with Tresemme in the past on a campaign that they were doing. So I'm just really grateful because I've used Tresemme products literally my entire life. My two favorites are always the hairspray, and then they have a heat protectant that I literally used forever in middle school, high school, you name it, because I cannot go a day without my heat protectant if I'm styling my hair. So theirs was always my go-to growing up, so it's kind of like nostalgic for me to use their products. So without further ado, we're just gonna jump right in, and thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So it actually opens up from the side here. I'm just gonna lift this here. Now that we got this out of the box, look how amazing. It's a big spray bottle. I love this. It's so cute. And what my favorite part about it is that they personalized it with my name on it. I love that. I always think personalization means so much going into any gift or anything like that. So anytime a brand personalizes something in their giftings, it really means more. I just love something personalized. So I'm gonna take the lid off here. And we got some goodies inside. So they sent me a little hair bow. It's MEJ on it, so it must be like a smaller creator, but that is really cute. It's like made from ribbon and it has a little clippy on the back. Just gonna open it up here. But this will be really cute to wear against my blue hair. I think this is really cute. They also sent over one of the iconic products of theirs. This is the heat protectant that I was telling you about. This is what I've used my entire life. It smells so good. I will still use this to this day. It's such a good heat protectant spray, and I swear it's the reason I still have hair because I would not go a day without using heat protectant if I were styling my hair. Next we have the matching bottle to our big bottle here. This I'm actually not familiar with. I think this is their brand new collection. So this is their Keratin Smooth Weightless Silk Serum. It has heat protection in it. It has frizz control, and it's kind of just like a finishing serum. So I cannot wait to give this a try. And then it even has scan for stylist tips and tricks. So if you guys wanna scan this code right here to get some tips and tricks. And then what else do we have here? We have another new product from this collection. This is a Silky Shine Spray. It's heat activated and it gives your hair that salon sleek and shine style. I'm just really excited to give these products a try. And then what do we have here? Ooh, so we have the Anti-Frizz Finishing Spray. This is also the Keratin Smooth line. This is their hairspray. Lightweight, oil-free, safe for color-treated hair, paraben-free, salon quality. So when I was working in a salon, my first salon that I worked in when I got out of beauty school, the woman next to me, she was renting her chair and she would use tons of like different products than we would. I was not renting a chair at that time. So I would always get ideas from her, and she always had tons of Tresemme products as well. If people are using Tresemme in their salon, you know it's good. It looks like we have one last thing in here, and it's a cute little headband. It's very squishy and it's really cute. Let's see here. This is also from the creator that made this, MEJ. I don't know if it's a smaller creator. I just personally haven't heard of MEJ, so I'm gonna look into her or this brand after this. So it's a really cute headband and it's comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's gonna hurt my head in an hour. You guys know how you wear headbands and then your headache, you just start forming this headache. So this one feels really comfortable and it's cute. Probably be wearing this summer, or even just like to put my hair back for when I'm doing my makeup. That is all in this little unboxing. I'm definitely gonna keep this for either storage or just decor in my beauty room or closet for a little while at least. I just think this is so cute and it's really good for storage. So I might even like craft it up, like make something out of it. You never know. Sometimes I get bored and like to make little crafts. With that being said, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Tresemme, for sending this over. You have no idea, and I'm so excited to try this new line out. Let me know if you guys have tried it out yet yourself, and let me know if you are a Tresemme fan. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!